Welcome back. Well, it's official now. The holidays are upon us. And so in tonight's sponsored Utah Success Stories, Doug Jessup tracks down the treats.
Holidays aren't the same without treats. Today I'm visiting with Darren from Western Nut in downtown Salt Lake City. Darren helped me with my holiday shopping.
Let's go on this side.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Grab a big cart because you're going to want to load up with some of the best nuts and candies you can get in Utah. Let's grab a nice Western Nut chocolate gift mix.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah, dried fruit trays. New Orleans mix, ridiculously great.
It's Western Nut. You got to get cashews.
So let's just grab a nice 1 pound cashew. Oh, you like that one?
That's it, there, I need a gift basket.
Let's go with the big one.
Oh, baby, yeah, there we go.
Because of COVID, gift baskets are different with more individual packaging. Of course, online and curbside services are available.
Going through this door is like walking into Santa's workshop. Oh, wow, Darren, this is awesome.
Take those smells in.
Wow.
We look to source our nuts from the finest nut growers across the world.
I gotta help roast cashews.
So how many pounds of cashews is this?
300.
300.
300 pounds right here.
300 pounds.
Same time you're holding this down, you're going to spread.
After my workout making roasted cashews, it was time to make my favorite, Paul's famous Pecan Brittle.
With another Utah success story and roasted cashews and pecan brittle that I made right here at Western Nut, I'm Doug Jessup, ABC4 News.
And I'm hungry. To see more of Doug's interview and nominate a business for him to feature, go to abc4.com/success. Adam Carroll, let's talk about the weather.